Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Fleava Copper Peptide Hair Growth Serum for women. Now as you can see right here, it's basically a hair growth serum, which is basically an oil that you put in your scalp to make your hair grow faster. And as you can see, they're rated 3.4 out of 5-star reviews. They're basically mixed reviews, and let's head on over here to Reddit to see if it's actually legit. So some users have reported it to be a scam. And since this user said that it is very dodgy, he did a systematic search online and he's using the following. So topical minoxidil is a dutasteride spray, microneedle, low-level laser therapy, rosemary shampoo, blah blah blah. And these are only things where there's a minimum scientific evidence for androgenetic alopecia. And it basically says that this is basically a scam. So that stuff is garbage, can make your wiener go soft, blah blah blah, don't use it. So some users said that it is absolute snake oil. Someone commented on their ads asking for some long-term solution, and they saying yes, once you regrow your hair, you don't have to keep taking the products. So I responded with the facts how DHT works and how their claim is impossible, and they have deleted my comment and blocked me immediately, so don't buy it. And yeah, based on these a lot of comments here on Reddit, this product is basically a scam, so you can just use more natural things rather than buying this one. And as you can see also here from Trustpilot, they're rated 3.5, which is average. Plus, if you actually read the 3.5, the 5 stars here, they're actually like paid promotions or like fake reviews. So one user said, "Do not buy this company. Once they have your credit card deals, they will withdraw money from your account 2 to 3 times per month for nothing." And basically, they're charging you, which is also for fraud. And yeah, that is basically it. So please do not buy this product. Just use natural solutions for regrowing your hair. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.